Strasbourg is an important city for its historical past. With a wonderful cathedral built in the 13th century, its streets immerse us in the Middle Age. It's located in the east of France and it is the capital of Alsace and shares a border with Germany. It is in this picturesque city that I'm going to present you the top 5 most interesting facts about Strasbourg. Number 5. The Church of Saint-Pierre-le-Jeune. The Church of Saint-Pierre-le-Jeune is located on the island Ellipse in Strasbourg. Its story dates back to 523 when the Iris built a small wooden chapel there. Then in 1031 and 1320 the church was built. Three churches were one after another built at the same place. At the beginning of the Middle Age, a small church was built dedicated to Saint Colomban. In 1031 the construction of a Romanesque church was begun for a chapter of canons. The cloister and the lower floors of the bell tower remain from this Romanesque church. The 11th century cloister was then modified many times during the 19th century. The Chapel of the Trinity. The nave is surrounded on all sides by chapels added later. In the 14th century and 15th century of this, the Trinity Chapel was completed in 1491 by Hans Hammer in a beautiful flamboyant Gothic style. This is where we find one of the peculiarities of this church. It is the angel that rests in this chapel that could help us to overcome our sins. It is a sculpture of a child who is looking for heaven, with a look of compassion and piety. In his hands he carries a tray where pilgrims deliver their requests and wishes. It is said that as soon as someone puts a letter to the angel, he will perform a miracle. Number 4. Pont des Corbeaux. The Corbeau Bridge is located between the Rue du Vieux-Marché-au-Poisson and the place of Corbeau. Allowing the cross to the hill, it linked Paris to Vienna. Before its metal reconstruction in the 19th century, it was made of wood. The bridge, closely linked to the judicial life of the city, was originally called Bridge of Torment. Indeed, a law of 1411 obliged the condemned to death to be thrown into the water from this bridge, wrapped in a sewn-lined bag. The practice was maintained and continued with some variations until 1607. For 1466, the bridge was also a place of humiliation where criminals were punished. Thieves and garden plunderers were locked in a cage on the bridge and exposed to the mockery of passers before being thrown into the Eel River, which they had to swim back to shore. In 1592, a stone crucifix was sealed on the bridge beams for representatives of the condemned. In 15th century, the bridge was equipped with shops. The name Corbeau does not mean the bird, it does not mean also the architecture. Actually, Corbeau was a person in charge of taking corpses, carrying the dead and evacuating them. He was not a great digger. This disgusting and bestial task had to be done quickly. It was done with an indecent brutality which consisted in putting the body on a kind of stretcher and evacuating it. Number 3. Maginot Line. The Maginot Line, named after French Minister for War André Maginot, it's a line of concrete fortification as well as obstacles and weapon installations built by France in the 1930s to deter invasion by Germany and force them to move around more fortifications. The Maginot Line was impervious to most forms of attacks. However, the Germans invaded through the Low Countries in 1940 by passing to the north. The line has since become a metaphor of expensive effort that offer a false sense of security. It's possible to see some fortification in Strasbourg. Actually, if you can see in this map, it's possible to see the localization of some fortifications. They are settled in the river of Rhine. If you like riding back in Strasbourg, you can see a bunker that is hidden in the place which his name is La Posée des Remparts. It's located behind La Gare de Strasbourg. Number 2. Bunker Underground Place des Halles. The Place des Halles is a central place, a shopping center, very well known that is part of the daily life of inhabitants in Strasbourg. However, it hides some surprise under its foundations. A well-concealed trapdoor on a parking lot can allow us access. It is an underground hospital built by the French army in 1937. Its circular plan shows the layout of the spaces around a central axis. The rooms are constantly anchored in the middle of an operating room. This bunker constitutes a circle of 25 meters in diameter. On the moldy walls, it is possible to perceive German inscriptions dating from the Second World War. Indeed, like the Maginot Line, this bunker was taken by Germans during the occupation of Alsace in 1940s. According to Frederick Heckman, thanks to this bunker, it is possible to pass on the heritage to the future generations. The bunker is visited by a construction company every year. In the next map, you can see the localization of this bunker in Place des Halles. Number 1. Dancing Plague. Strasbourg is an interesting city. We can see some fortifications and some buildings that has been constructed and built in order to carry the sick people. That's the reason why we can find La Petite France, which was actually an emplacement for the sickness of Black Death. The sick people was locked up in the Petite France to avoid the contagion. In fact, it is for this reason that Germans, then under the influence of the Holy Roman Empire, called the place Kleine Frankreich, which means Little France. However, this is not a curious fact as the one that occurred in 1518. One day in that year of the Middle Age, a woman began to dance permanently. When other people saw her, they were encouraged to follow the dance. The strange thing is that they never stopped dancing, and it is thought that this kind of dance was contagious. So hundreds of people were dancing uncontrollably in the streets until they died. It is still not clear why so many people died. Some people believe the dancing could have been brought on food poisoning caused by the toxic and psychoactive chemical products of ergot fungi, which grows commonly on grains used for baking bread. Ergotamine is the main psychoactive product of ergot fungi. It's structurally related to the drug lysergic acid diethylamine, LSD-25, and is the substance from which LSD was originally synthesized.